Okay, boys and girls, this is the math review for week 2, day 2, and it is Friday, September 18th, and we are going to do the math review. So I've got my image right here that tells me the questions, and now here is my work. So it's asking me what time is shown on the clock. So first I got to start with my shorthand, and it is between the 6 but not quite the 7. So if it's past the 6, that means we're starting with 6 ... and then I look at my longhand, and it is pointing at the 2, but it's not going to be 6 2 because each time the longhand goes, it's going to be increments of 5 minutes. So that's like 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So I know if it is on the 2 that it's 2 sets of 5 minutes. So 5 10, so it's 6 10. Okay. For this problem, 39 plus 97, today I'm going to do this in standard algorithm mode. So I'm going to line my numbers up. You've got to be really precise when you're doing math. That's super important. So I've lined my ones up. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So I'm going to put the 6 here. And that extra 10, so because 16 is 10 plus 6. Okay, I know this. So that's where my 6 is going to go, and then I carry this extra 10 right up on top. So this is really 10 plus 30 plus 90 because I am in my tens column. So 1 plus 3 plus 9 is going to be 130 or 13. So that's 136. That is the correct answer. Now for the second one, word problems you can learn a lot about word problems because of what they ask. So you got to read, and then you got to sift out kind of some of the things that are important. So let's read this together. Jessica did some push-ups this week in gym class. On Monday, she did 10, and on Tuesday, she did 13. How many push-ups did she do this week? The really important question is how many. That kind of indicates that we're going to do an addition problem. So I know some important facts about it is that she did 10 push-ups on Monday, 13 push-ups on Tuesday, and that's how many she did for the week. So how many? So if I know that how many equals addition, I'm going to put 10 plus 13. Again, this is standard algorithm. If I put 0 plus 3, that's going to be 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So she did 23 push-ups. And do you see how I'm labeling it? The original question asked, how many push-ups did she do for the week? That's why I didn't just stop with 23, but I pushed my thinking and labeled it correctly. Now this fourth one, there are blank blocks. Okay, so we're going to look at this. Look at the base 10 blocks and write the number. So each one of these squares equals 100. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So and these equal 100. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so and if each one of these squares equals 100, that means I have 400. Now I'm going to go back over here, and each one of these lines equals 10. So you can see I have 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Remember, these in the base 10 and using the blocks equals 10. So 1, 2, 3. And of these being 10 is going to be 30. And then, then we have all these little ones right here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to represent these little ones with dots. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I add that 9 at the end, sorry, I'm getting a little low on the paper, we can add 400 plus 30 plus 9, which is going to equal 439. That's how many blocks there are. Good job. Hopefully this helped, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.